Okay, short view here. It seems to settle down a little bit here. But we're in Deer Harbor Marina. Just a minute ago, this thing was just doing some super jumpies. Come on, dance for us. Come on, you can do it. Oh, there we go again. Oh, 6. 4 foot. Yeah, a lot of fun here. Living on the island. I'm just really amazed in this little catamaran how stable it is compared to these things. The thing's bouncing up and down. It was going 4 or 5 feet, and we're just kind of sitting here pretty flat in the marina. See if you can see anybody else out here. I probably can't see anything. Everybody's dancing pretty hard. Bunch of good hard wind. Gotta love the Northwest. Yeah, got a big old pile of otter shit on our cooler. Some otter shit on our floor. Catch those things tomorrow. You can see it. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotta love the Northwest.